The ULF-Tec filling line from the UM100 series is the consequent result of the experiences and developments the company ULF-Tec has accumulated in the past. The outstanding performance characteristic of this modularly structured packing line is the processing speed of 110 bags up to 2 kilograms per minute. In the version being presented here, the bag magazine has 3 slide-in units and it's moved by a pneumatic cylinder. To prevent scrap and contamination of the machine, light barriers monitor the bag pickup and prevent the dosing feed from opening if a bag is missing. Subsequent to the filling, the bags are conducted over a vibration track to the sealing track. The vibration track compresses the contents and the filling height is optimized. This plant section, depending on the product requirements, can be extended or shortened without affecting the filling or sealing tracks. The folding head is manufactured predominantly from aluminium and it's driven via 2 pneumatic cylinders. The use of this lightweight material reduces the energy requirements and relieves the drives. The parts of the folding head that touch the material are made of stainless steel. First, the folding fingers are lowered into the bag closed. Through the subsequent opening of the finger, the bag liners are merged and folded. This folding head operates without grease or oil. In the following cutting and creasing station, the projecting proportion of the bag is cut off. While doing so, the blade is conducted so that the upper blade never loses contact with the lower one. The result of this is a clean cut with low wear and low energy requirements. In the folding station, the sealing part of the bag is folded 180 degrees onto the crease edge, thus obtaining its shape and its stability. Subsequently, this part is glued and the bags are sealed under pressure. Following that, the filling volumes of the bag are checked through the weigher. Non-compliances and minimum quantities can be comfortably entered through the touch panel. Incorrectly filled units are reliably detected here and immediately sorted out. The metal detector reliably detects the smallest metallic contaminations in the product, ensuring a safe production process. The product packs are sorted into 2 pre-collectors through a switch system. After 10 each product bags, there is a changeover to the other side. That results the desired redundancy in the packaging process. Firm change can thus also be implemented, or a product jam can be remedied without stopping the entire plant. After loosely wrapping with shrink film, the packs are heat processed. The film contracts, forming a stable and secure transport packing. The modular construction of the ULF-Tec filling line provides the advantage of simple and low-cost planning and implementation of the product line, an advantage that pays off especially in complex production processes. The use of pneumatic pumps for the central lubrication ensures smooth running of the machine and low wear on the main motor, the main curves and the cam rollers. The individual plant components such as folding and sealing track can be height adjusted to meet the various product packing requirements. That guarantees tailor-made solutions for individual demands and variable use. For the ULF-Tec filling line drives, great importance was placed on energy-efficient work, low wear and simple maintenance. That is why ULF-Tec deploys 2 separate lubrication pumps. They supply the drives and components of the plant with the respectively required grease. Control units from Siemens, an example German engineering technology, form the electronic heart of the plant. Together with the touch panel control system, they create a modern unit that can be set up and adapted to all required steps in the production process. Various measurement and control points can be programmed and called as needed. The touch panel attached to a rail can be shifted and flexibly operated. The menu and navigation can be easily converted to various languages. The many years of experience gathered by Frank and Kai Stamm along with the entire ULF-Tec team flowed into the continuous further development. That is characterized by high functional reliability, low wear, favorable maintenance and the high global availability of spare parts. Quality made in Germany, the ULF-Tec UM100.